Okay, now today I'm going to teach you the Nadi Yoga treatment for snoring. So this is done by doing medulla, and medulla we will start from left side here. So if I do 16 of this from here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The same way 16 here. If I'm doing double, then I have to count 2 is a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 16 one way. So 16 here, 16 here. After doing one medulla, the next one is a thymus gland. If she's a lady, then you don't do it yourself. Back and forth, just keep it like that. One loose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. 8 here. Another hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because I'm doing double, so it became 16. After this is one round. Give 1 minute break. Then again what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second round. 1 minute break. I'm assuming that 1 minute is done. If there is no time, take at least 10 deep breaths. And then you start again one. Again what? 16 here, 16 here, and then 8 times here, 8 times here, and take what?
10 breaths.
10 breaths. Then again start. So 6 rounds to be done. So that was the meaning here. This, one this, one this. 1 minute break. One this, 1 minute break, and total 6 rounds. Perhaps if I write this, it won't make any sense. Everybody understood now? Thank you. Practice now.